to. So now these are the features of the professional free hosting. Free web hosting with unlimited disk space. You have unlimited disk space, you have unlimited bandwidth, my SQL database, easy control panel, website builder, and 100% free, no hidden cost, free subdomain. But what they are going to give you here is just a subdomain. So they will give you a subdomain, not a premium domain name. So it have a powerful servers, they have powerful servers, and these are their features. Easy to use control panel, one click installer, that is Softaclos app installers, a lot more. These are the popular scripts. They have WordPress, Joomla, Magento, ClickBucket, and lots more. So Pro Free Host is a web hosting service which is aimed at providing free servers and tools to its members for both personal and commercial use. So now let's register for an account. So now the requirement for you to register for an account is just an email address. So let's get my email address. So this is my email address. So let me type in the password. Then so now activate your account. So please activate your account first. So I will need to check my Gmail account for me to get the verification code. So the verification code have been sent to my Gmail. So let me get it there. So this is the Gmail address. Let me switch up to this. So this is the Gmail. Let me switch it up. So now this is the verification code, Pro Free Host. So this is the verification message. So let's get in. So now thank you for choosing Pro Free Host. You need to activate your account before creating websites with us. So now let's activate the account. So now your account has been activated successfully. So now we will need to create another account here. So don't mind of this message, I just enabled an ad blocker, so just mind this, don't mind this message. So now you don't need any account yet, so we will need to create one. You can either click on here or click here, so anyone you choose. So now you will need to enter your website URL. So now let me enter my website URL. So type fx. So now these are the subdomains .onox.com or .isro.com. So now let me choose the preferred one that I want. You can either choose .on.ox or .isro, anyone that you want. So now you click on this button. So now it's creating the account. So the meaning of your accounts 1 to 3, 1/3 is that we have created this mainly. Pro Free Host permits user to only create 3 accounts here. So you cannot create accounts not more than 3. So now let's click on manage, or let's refresh it again. So now let's click on manage. So now we are going to your account is under process, so it will be created shortly. So let's get it off for some minutes before we refresh it. So let's refresh it. So it's still creating. Let's be patient a bit. So let's refresh it again. So still creating. Let's wait. Still creating. Let's wait for it. So please be patient. The status is creating, so your new account is under process and will be created shortly. So please let's wait for it. So now the account is successfully created. So this is the status of the account, is now active. So now let's click on control panel. So we will be redirected to the C panel. So it will redirect us in 5 seconds. So click on advance and proceed. Continue. So now we will to notify you of all the changes. So this is just a terms and condition, so it's left for you to approve or disapprove. So now we are going to approve. So we are now on the C panel. So these are the, before it finish loading, so let's have a view on the stats of the C panel. That is the statistics of the C panel. So the plan is free hosts, and you can only use one FTP account and unlimited subdomain, and you can add-on domain, one add-on domain and one packed domain. So an add-on domain is like a domain that you bought from another provider, so then you add it. That is either .com or any domain. So now let's install the WordPress. So now let's go to Subtaclus app installer. So now this is the Subtaclus app installer. So these are the top scripts. So it have WordPress, Joomla, Abante Cat, PHP, Body BB, and SMF, and lots of CMS with even Laravel, a lot of them. So we will install WordPress. So click on install. So now it's one of the best good thing of this hosting is that you can choose the WordPress version that you need. So we are going to install the latest version. So choose the installation URL. So this is the installation URL. So this don't give SSL certificate. So in my next tutorial I'll show you how to get an SSL certificate. Please also subscribe to this channel to avoid not missing this tutorial. So now we are going to add the admin username and password. So now let's add the admin username. TechFX. So now let's add the password. So now this is the password. So let's choose the language is already English. So let's install. So let's wait for it for some minutes to install. So it's finalized. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now let's first view the front end. So this is the link for the front end and this is the link for the back end. So now let's check the front end. Voila, wow. So this is our WordPress installed in the front end. So let's check the back end, admin back end. This is the admin back end WordPress. So in this tutorial, I successfully showed you how to install WordPress for free without spending a dime kobo on installing WordPress. So on my next tutorial, I will show you how to get a free SSL certificate to add it on your WordPress site to avoid showing this not secure, to make it to be secured like how this connection is secured. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and also subscribe to this channel for more latest update. All the link related in this tutorial will be in the description. Thank you.